Supreme Court Justice Clarence Thomas pressed a lawmaker in 2000 to raise justices' salaries, sparking concerns among Republicans that he'd resign if Congress didn't, ProPublica reported Monday, raising more speculation about an influx of gifts from wealthy friends that Thomas received in the ensuing years that have already sparked an ethics controversy at the court. Thomas's concerns about his salary seem to have been allayed in the years after his 2000-era push for a raise, ProPublica reports, which coincides with the justice receiving luxury vacations and other gifts from wealthy friends. Thomas also received a $1.5 million advance for his memoir in 2003, and his wife Ginny Thomas started earning a six-figure salary through her work with the right-wing Heritage Foundation. "Oh goodness, I think it's plenty," Thomas said about his salary at a Supreme Court Historical Society lecture in June 2019. "My wife and I are doing fine. We don't live extravagantly, but we are fine. $285,400. That's the salary for Associate Justices of the Supreme Court in 2023. The amount is less than the court's salary in 2000 when adjusted for inflation. The previous salary of $173,600 would be worth approximately $315,782 today." ProPublica's reporting on Thomas's salary woes is the latest in a string of reports the outlet and others have published detailing the conservative-leaning justice's financial dealings and associations with wealthy friends that have raised ethics concerns. Thomas has particularly drawn scrutiny for his friendship with real estate magnate Harlan Crow, who has treated the justice to decades of luxury travel, bought real estate from Thomas and helped pay for his grandnephew's private school tuition, as well as other gifts from wealthy friends, including ones he made through his membership in the Horatio Alger Society. The justice has defended the gifts, which largely went unreported on his financial disclosures, as simply being hospitality from his friends, and Crow has denied speaking with Thomas about cases before the court or ever using his gifts as a way to influence the justice. The ProPublica reports have helped spark a broader reckoning over ethics reforms at the court, with Democratic lawmakers investigating the issues and pushing for legislation that would impose a binding code of ethics on the court. Justices announced in November they were imposing a code of ethics on themselves voluntarily in response to the concerns, though experts have criticized the measure as being largely toothless, given there's no enforcement mechanism in place if the justices go against the code. A delicate matter. Clarence Thomas's private complaints about money sparked fears he would resign. ProPublica. Clarence Thomas. Here are all the ethics scandals involving the Supreme Court justice amid unpaid RV loan revelations. Forbes. Supreme Court enacts first ever ethics code. Here's what experts think should happen next. Forbes.